Where's Shanna? Pika. Boo! Good job. Good job, lady. Where's Shanna? You go hide? Hide. Go hide. Go hide. Where's Shanna? Boo! What's up, lady? Where'd she go? Where's Shanna? Boo! Wow.
Mama.
Yes, sir.
What are you?
Shanna's playing Pika.
I want to be down, please.
You may be down. Thank you for asking. Want to play Peekaboo?
I want to play peekaboo. So we'll hide behind drapes.
Shanna, where's Dylan? Where's Shanna? Where's Dylan? Boo! Hey, but ow!
You sweep me across the floor
Well, hang on just a minute.
because I don't want to break my bones.
Peek!
Mama.
Yes, Dylan. It's fine, girl.
Mama.
Yes, Dylan.
Can you please sweep me on the floor? I can't move back and forth.
In just a minute, I will. Okay.
I can push my feet to go backwards.
Boo.
I can go backwards, but I can't go forward.
You want me to pull you around the floor?
Yeah, because
Okay.
I'm because I want my.
Okay. Hey, before I do that, Shanna, can you blow raspberries on Dylan's belly? Oh, Dylan, do you want to blow raspberries on Shanna's belly?
Alright. Alright, Shanna. Buddhas.
We can just do it on that, because that's snapped.
Mom, can you sweep me on the floor? I can't.
Okay.